Hey there, home cooks. Today, I've got some quick and easy tips for you on how to keep your cherries fresh for longer. Let's dive right in. First things first, handle your cherries with care. Fresh cherries are delicate and can bruise easily, so a little TLC goes a long way. And when you bring them home, avoid washing them immediately. Excess moisture can lead to mold and spoilage. Instead, wash your cherries in cold water only right before eating or using them in your favorite cherry recipes. And hey, leave those stems intact until you're ready to enjoy them. Next up, store your cherries in a single layer to prevent bruising. Loosely pack unwashed cherries in plastic bags or place them in a shallow pan lined with parchment paper or a paper towel. Arrange the cherries in a single layer and cover them with plastic wrap to reduce pressure and damage. Proper storage helps them stay fresh for up to a week. Now, this is crucial. Refrigerate your cherries immediately. Cherries thrive in cooler temperatures. Ideally, place them in the coldest part of the fridge, often the crisper drawer, but make sure there's enough ventilation to prevent moisture buildup. Stored properly in the refrigerator, cherries can last up to a week. Remember to check them regularly and remove any that have started to spoil. If you want to enjoy cherries year-round, freezing them is an excellent option. Here's how to freeze cherries properly. Rinse them in cold water and drain thoroughly. Pat them dry with a paper towel to remove excess moisture. Remove the stems and, if desired, pit the cherries using a cherry pitter. Arrange the cherries in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Place the baking sheet in the freezer overnight. Once frozen, transfer the cherries to a heavy-duty plastic bag or an airtight container. Frozen cherries can be stored for up to a year without losing their flavor or nutritional value. They're perfect for smoothies, baking, or any other cherry recipes you'd like to try. And finally, keep cherries away from room temperature. Fresh cherries are highly perishable and don't fare well when left out for long periods. If you're planning to use them soon after purchasing, you can leave them out for a few hours, but always refrigerate them to maximize freshness. Oh, and don't worry about minor leaks. It's not uncommon for some cherry juice to leak out, especially when stored or frozen. Just clean the bag or container, and your cherries will still be good to use. There you have it. Follow these tips, and you'll keep your cherries fresh and delicious for longer. Happy cooking!